Should you be copying successful YouTube channels in your niche? The answer is no to straight up copying, but we're going to dive into an alternative technique called shadowing. Shadowing helped me save loads of time in getting my videos seen and loved by my target audience. Let me break it down for you. A lot of YouTubers get confused between shadowing and copying. I mean, it's understandable. Copying is where you replicate everything about a channel, the video topics, the content delivery, even the thumbnail design and editing style. But here's why that's a big no-no. The channel you're copying might cover areas that you're not familiar with. Let's say you copy a travel channel that shares tips on buying cheap tickets, finding accommodation, and saving money while traveling. But if you lack travel tips to save time and money, well, Houston, we got a problem. Your videos might pale in comparison to your competitors and lack originality. Here's another problem. If you copy a channel, you're likely to attract the same audience as that channel. But what if that audience is mainly interested in something you're not particularly strong in? It's like serving them a dish they're not craving. If those two problems are not enough for you, well, here's a third one. Every YouTuber is unique. We all have our own personalities and come across differently on camera. There are channels out there with massive followings, even though their content isn't vastly different from others. It's their personality and camera presence that draws viewers in. People connect with them, feel comfortable, and keep wanting more. As a new YouTube channel, you don't know how your audience will react to you. They may love you as a presenter or maybe not. What is even more likely is that as a newbie, you aren't yet comfortable on camera, and that will come through. It's not until your channel has been around for a while and that you got a loyal following that you will learn if your audience is coming to watch you because of your personality and style or because of the content that you make stands out. There always exists a danger of copying another channel if you lack the personality and camera presence needed to grow an audience. We've got a solution that'll set you in the right path. Shadowing. Shadowing means creating similar videos while being fully aware of the differences between your content and the channel you're shadowing. You don't want to be a total oddball, but make your videos, thumbnails, titles, and editing style somewhat different and, more importantly, better than your competitors. Here's the deal, fellow YouTube nerds. Market your videos by highlighting their unique selling points. Here's 3 main ways to do it. Personality. Is your magnetic personality drawing people to your channel? How do you present yourself? How would your viewers describe you? Video editing and appearance. Or maybe it's the editing and appearance of your video that draws them in. Is your editing style different? Does it have a faster or slower pace? Do you use more B-roll footage than your competitors? How often do you throw in some of that snazzy stock video footage? Video content. And let's not forget about the video content itself. What makes your content stand out from your competitors? Do you rely on explanations, examples, charts, or analogies more than your competitors? Are your videos more creative in their approach? Are they more comprehensive, in-depth, or more up-to-date? Do you tackle your topics from a unique angle? Is there a reoccurring thing that sets your videos apart, like saving money or time? The bottom line is this. Shadowing lets you incorporate certain elements of a successful competitor's video while also highlighting what makes your content different. Embracing these differences will make your channel stand out and give you a better understanding of what your audience really expects. And there you have it, folks. The secret sauce to creating awesome content without being a copycat. Before you go any further, check out this other video which shows you other ways to leverage your competitors' videos to get an edge.